back with another video. Today the girls are gonna give me a makeover. So they're gonna do my makeup and then they're gonna pick my outfit. So I will model it for you guys and then it will be your turn to vote. If you've never been here before, I'm Cindy, this is Victoria, this is Carmen. And make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button because we're gonna have lots of fun. All right, let's get into it.
I'm gonna aim for something tropical and flowery, like summertime but spring at the same time.
All right, so this is the look we're going for.
Under pressure, no more time. Can we make a move? Overthinking, you and I. What do we have to lose?
You look kind of weird. This one, if you use it on your lips will turn blue. And we'll be using this. It's looking gold.
Pretty.
Well, look, it's looking good.
Mm-hmm. You're getting lipstick on your hand.
It's on your cheek again, too. Does it look good?
Mm-hmm.
It looks kind of crazy right here because I messed up.
It's okay.
No more time. Can we make a move? Overthinking, you and I. What do we have to lose?
Okay, this lipstick is like everywhere. See, mommy?
Ooh.
It's not done yet, but
Okay.
that's just the line. My first ever good-looking cat eyes.
Pretty.
Mommy, you can trust me. I'm not gonna poke your eyeball out. Okay, just shut your eyes and do it. Shut. Open and shut them. Okay.
Is that it?
One more thing. Shut your
Pretty.
eyes. What's that? Shut your face. We're making it magical.
All right, time to style the hair.
The braid, it looks really pretty.
It does.
Okay, now hold your breath and shut your eyes.
Okay.
I'm gonna spray your hair to keep it still. So now we are searching for Mama's wardrobe. She has a lot of clothes, you see. We're gonna pick a couple of clothes out. Okay, let's go with this. So this is Mommy's anniversary dress. She's gonna wear it for her next anniversary. Let's go try it on. I'm doing a business style.
Like art.
I'm not really good at face art then. I don't think this thing really does anything.
It does.
Oh yeah, there it goes. I see it now.
Let's look at a black eye.
Well, it kind of makes it.
I mean, unless you're going for that look.
No.
Just down here I'm talking about.
Oh.
She wears brown underneath.
Yeah. That does not look that good. Yeah, it's just gonna be silly, I guess. You look super weird. Yeah, I guess I'll just leave it.
Leave it?
Yeah.
Okay.
It was supposed to be super pretty, but now it's not. It's like weird looking.
How are we gonna vote then? Still gonna do the vote though?
Yeah.
Maybe someone will vote for this look?
Yeah.
Okay.
One more thing. That's just silly.
What?
Yeah.
Ah.
Yeah. Like daddy's.
Oh no.
The things that are tied to the
Okay.
Oh my god.
Just to add to the look.
Okay.
Okay, so this is the look. Okay. Now the hair.
Yep. Where to go? What is that? That's my look.
The look.
You don't do that. You have to like put like brown like eyeliner on it. That's the business look. Or now be quiet. People are still gonna vote, okay?
Yep.
It's time for the wardrobe, and I'm doing a business look, so let's look for it.
Okay, so what's in here? Anything you're interested in?
I like this.
Okay.
Okay, bye everyone. I hope you guys vote in the comments. Please tell us whose outfit you like better, and like my mustache. And tell us if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. And comment down below and smash that like button and the notification button. Bye. Bye.
See you next time.